In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the category of a reconciled transaction in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you finish a bank reconciliation and later realize a transaction was assigned to the wrong category. The good news is, as long as the dollar amount isn't changing, you can safely update the category without undoing your reconciliation. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks file. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation menu. From there, go to the Accounting section. This is where you manage all of your accounts and registers. Once you're in Accounting, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is basically the full list of all the accounts in your books, including your bank and credit card accounts. Next, find the specific bank account where the transaction was originally recorded. This might be your main checking account, savings account, or a credit card account. When you see the correct account in the list, move over to the right side and click on View Register. This opens the account register, which shows a line-by-line history of transactions for that account. Now scroll through the register to locate the reconciled transaction you want to change. You can use the date, description, or amount to help you find it. Reconciled transactions usually have an R in the status column, so that's another clue you're looking at the right one. Once you've found it, click anywhere on that transaction line to expand it. You'll see more details appear, such as the payee, the current category, and other fields. Look for the Edit option and click it. This will open the full transaction form, like the original expense or check screen. Inside this form, go to the Account or Category drop-down field. This is where the transaction is currently mapped in your books. Click the drop-down and select the new correct category you want to use. Take a second to double-check that the amount, date, and payee are still correct. You're only changing the category here. When you're happy with the change, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will then display a warning message letting you know that this transaction has already been reconciled. Since you're only changing the category and not the dollar amount, you can go ahead and click Yes to confirm. This keeps your reconciliation intact while updating your financial reporting. And that's all you need to do to change the category of a reconciled transaction in QuickBooks